Hi, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna burn bird feeder out of popsicle sticks. Let's do the layout first. So come with me. My floor is built. 10 of these. Next is the wall. Let's do the wall. This is what we got. This is the wall. This is for the videos. Here's where the birds stand. You'll see. Trust the process. You're gonna build a roof. Let's do it. My house is a little slanting, but we don't talk about that. It's my first time. We don't talk about that. Got the walls from our roof built. So I just want to attach it. Attach it. Yes, this is where I don't want myself. So I think it's okay. Hey, I got it. It just needs to dry. Maybe give it a couple seconds, and I'll try to put it on the house. So I guess it's okay. Overdose quick. I'm gonna put all that connected. Okay, I kind of like it. It's crooked, but it's my first time. We're gonna paint it up. Drop all this excess glue. That's for the project of this dope bird feeder. So I'm gonna put the seeds into that. I'm gonna put outside. That's the wrap up this week's video. I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next week.